Welcome in, gang. We live. Hope everybody's having a stellar time. For some reason, look at my Topstep. She ain't updating. Look at these zeros. Oh, this one updated. Here we go. It's trying. Looks like he's a little behind this morning. Anyone else experiencing that? Or what do we run up to? 2390. And now we're down here at the 40s. What is going on, Topstep? Load. God. Got our hourly chart here. Oh, yesterday. Yesterday I was crashing out, y'all. I was actually ready to just... Yesterday was not good. Bro, can this update? What is going on, Topstep? I see Michael Patak comment that they have the most... Topstep X seen the most users it's ever seen yesterday. And now this is what we're fucking getting for it. So, really cool. Really, really good stuff. Wow. Don't let me crash out again. I don't need this today. I don't need this type of shit today. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Nothing's updating here, boys. Nothing's updating here, gang. Hourly charts in. I guess we just leave it. I don't know what to do here. Again, I saw on Michael's Twitter yesterday that they had the most the Topstep X, which is just not even their native platform, but just this platform. You had jobs today. Yeah. Excuse me. Can we please? My God. I'm already getting annoyed. The fuck, Topstep. Boo. Boo. Like this is what I'm... Michael, you caused this. Anyone else experiencing this? This is ridiculous. Good morning, Saucy man. My Topstep X is just not working, bro. You experiencing this too? Just straight. I can't pull the chart up either. Mar, what's up, buddy? Top of the morning, man. Top of the mountain, my boy. Happy to see you here, gang. Yeah, the Topstep X is just slow as shit right now. And it's funny because I saw on Michael's Twitter yesterday, Saucy, he said that Topstep X, or not even Topstep X, but Project X, this platform's technically called Project X, and it offers, oh my God, we're in. Sort of. Look at this. But they're letting other prop firms use their shit too. And so he said yesterday they experienced the most users ever on Project X, which Topstep uses. They buy it. It's like a white label thing. And so now you can see what's happening with clutter. We're just getting shit information. Look at this. What is going on here? Boo, Topstep. You feel me? Anyone else? I can't even tell if what's updated. Now we're at 41. This is down at 26. So, yeah. Can't do anything, gang. Oh my God. After the trading day I had yesterday, I do not need this. I do not need this. I'm mentally fragile right now. Come on. I am mentally fragile right now. I'm trolling. I'm never mentally fragile. But seriously, what is going on with this? Wow. L Topstep. This is horrendous. Oh, Project X, whatever the problem is, this is I guess we hang out, gang. Mar, you don't trade with Project X, do you? 'Cause this is, oh, this is upsetting. If I refresh, we're just gonna be cooked. This is the closest we've been, even though they're not connected at all. I already had jobs. I was at 7:30. Cool. All right. Well, I can at least see the reaction of jobs. Oh, I love this. This is awesome. I can't even tell if my like stream's updated. Like this shit is just, is it me? Is it my internet? Like what is going on? Trading view. Word, Mar. Seems to be more reliable, pal. Mar says X appears to be down. Well, that's what happens when you guys have to share the fucking project with 4 other prop firms and we have an influx of users and all of a sudden it crashes. Would you get a tattoo of a 2-inch by 2-inch barcode on your forehead that you have to wear for the rest of your life for 10 milli? 10 milli for a little barcode on my foreface, huh? Just a big old code right here. What is the... 10 milli. It's instant retirement for a little tattoo on your forehead. I would do it, Sauce. Juan, you're experiencing the same bullshit? Bro, that's what I'm saying. Project X, they're using there's just way too many people on here now. So now we're just going to be flooding this thing probably daily. Yesterday on Michael's Twitter, he said Project X saw the most users it's ever seen ever. So at one time. So that's encouraging. But yeah, I'm definitely getting a barcode on my forehead for 10 milli, Saucy, no question about it, because that's instant retirement. My family don't got to worry about shit after that, and I can just get it off. The code can be linked to whatever you want to. Oh, that's sexy. I'll do something real fun with it. I'll have it like my crypto portfolio or something, so every time someone scans it, they just see that I'm a multi-millionaire, because the whole point of the $10 million from getting the barcode. So then I would just have like multi-millions sitting in my crypto assets, and then someone would scan my thing, would bring them right to my wallet to show you that I just am just chilling. So like, you want to make fun of me, and you're like, oh, look at this guy's barcode on his forehead, and then you scan it, and you're like, oh, this guy's fucking loaded. You have to wear it forever, brother. You have to wear it for the rest of your life. I hear you. I'm still doing it. I'm still doing it. Oh my god, are we in? Oh my god. 36s, 34, 33, 32. Price isn't updating on both on the hourly and the minute. A little divergence there, so it's trying. Damn, must suck for people that are in a position. Well, I can't even imagine, bro. Like, this is so crazy. Like, imagine genuinely, exactly, having a position, trying to fucking make a decision on it, trying to, like, this is wild. Also, yesterday's turnaround. Oh my god, I wanted to crash out after trading yesterday. What the fuck is that, dude? And then I catch these bottoms for it to just, like, oh, I'm not gonna bring it back up. I'm not gonna bring it back up. Yesterday was not my good day, boys. Yesterday I was, I was ready to crash, but here we go. Starting to try here. We're at the 31s, is at 29. Up here is at 29 as well. So we have 2 of the 3 matching up. But man, this is low quality on Project X. Mar might be the man with there might be the way with Trading View. Guys, also passed our first set of combines. Funded them. So now with these next set of combines, we're only allowed 10 a month with Topstep. These are my last 5 combines this month. So if I pass these, that's it. That's it with Topstep. So gonna definitely be trying some other prop firms, halves if that occurs. Hopefully we just pass and run those motherfuckers up. I am so tired of just the way trading's been going for me. Like just yesterday, man, just like seriously unlucky shit. It always is though, right? It always is. So we don't complain. We just get better. Is it updating? 31 over here, 32 over here. No. I wonder how many people are experiencing this. Like you can't do anything. I want to refresh, but every time I do, it just makes it like a little bit slower. Like this is like the closest that it's been. But you can still see these dots here. It's still loading. Nothing's in. Good job, Michael Patak. Really good job, buddy. Get 3x the users using the same small platform. This is actually incredible. I wish I would have thought of something like that, you know. This is immaculate. I wasn't trying to trade today. Like I wasn't even trying to participate. 34s, 33.50, 35, 75, 36. Boys, they're acting together. These are moving in confluence right now. But I still don't have the rest of my charts, so I don't believe it. Wow. Are we just chopped? Was able to catch a short before market open, currently sitting on my hands. Might have a bit of a consolidation at the moment. At least there's not much going on. WMAR for keeping us informed there. Keeping us informed during these blackout bullshit Topstep X. Or Project X, technically. It's not Topstep's platform. This is not going to work, though. It's not going to work. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling pretty bearish down to these London lows. If I could be trading, that's kind of what I'd be targeting. Down back towards this price here, but yeah. This is stellar. Oh, and we got speakers today for the foamy. The Fomic. Cool. So let's just have a wash. Like I didn't want to trade today. Yeah, choppy action. Plus we're near all-time highs. We got speakers today, and oh nice, my VWAP and EMA just turned off my charts. This is good. This is good. Oh gosh, trading view. We gotta try new stuff out, boys, because this isn't gonna work for us. And Topstep we're already maxed out with combines, ready to use our 10. We bought 5, we passed them. So those are those 5. Now we have these 5. If I pass these before the end of the month and trade on those fundeds and blow those, I will not be able to purchase another combine with Topstep this month. Fucking crazy. And it doesn't matter anyway because this chart. Also, the chart's sucking ass on Topstep, so surely no trades today, lol. You want to see me poking a buy? I can't even. Just a blind trade, just a blind purchase. Mar, I'll put a long on right now, buddy. Actually, I'll put a short on right now because I see the hourly's turning down. I'll put a short on right now, guy. Don't tempt me. Don't tempt me with a flavorful time. You know what I'm talking about? Look at it. We're down in the 18s on the hourly over here. I'll take a short. I'll take a short target in the, I don't even know, lows here. Around these 80s. What would even happen if I did take a sell right now? With just no vision of the market. Just take a short. See what happens. I want to now just because, but I won't. Our discipline is too strong to participate in such antics. Bye. I'm just kidding. Up to the 25s. Do you ever use the Topstep tilt? Nah, I don't use the tilt. Most people are wrong anyway, so I don't really like gauging. Like, look, 67% are short right now, though. We shopping short. Oh, one. I went over there, came back, so I'm just gonna reset my charts. No, oh my god. But no, I don't use tilt. Most people over there are wrong, so I don't really think it's like, oh, do you want to see the majority? Like, I don't know. It's It's a strange thing. It's only showing you current orders, showing you what people are currently thinking, and I guess it has some information if you can see that like 70% of people are one-sided, but even then it's like most people are wrong. So you're gonna go with them or gonna go without them, and you're on the like blah, blah, blah. I don't know. I just think it's more information, more opportunity to get confused or psych yourself out, or same reason I don't like looking at SMTs on ES, that type of thing. It's like I like consistent, clear things. Okay, it's trying. Looked like it was trying there. Crazy. Crazy that this is what's occurring here. I don't even know what to do. We can't be trading. Like, this is kind of our MO here. Oh man. 26, 21. Still having a divergence in prices here. Oh look, we're down to the 2005s on the ES. I should have totally shorted it back at the 200s, boys, or the 20s. I mean, now we're below the 23,000 according to my. Oh look, yeah, below 23,000 over here. So look, we said we wanted to short it at the 26s. Look what happened. We should have just put that sell order on. Should just put a blind sell in. What am I thinking? Why did I not? Gosh. How come I didn't just blindly put on a 5 lot right there? Be done. No, all seriousness, no. This is sad. This makes me unhappy. Pout face, sad. Into the 90s. What I say, I wanted to see these overnight London lows break. So 83. That's what I was targeting, and we are threatening it now at the 90s. So that would have been our look there. Now that once we sweep that, I don't know. We'll see what happens if we're even allowed to trade. So I wonder how many traders, like how many humans, are going to be out of the market today that normally would be in the markets. I mean, we're one of them. Look, I just took off my VWAP too. Oh my god, gang. Oh my word. Just tell me you don't like me then, Topstep. Just say it. You know what I mean? I don't need all this passive aggressive stuff. Just be honest. Say, hey, I'm not a fan of you. And I'd be like, okay, I think I get it. I'm gonna go use TradingView. I want it to be mutual. I want us to like each other. Oh, boy. Oh, wow. Your boys, I'm over it, all right? I've had a long work week. I've worked, just my body's been worked out. Just picking up running lately, which for an anaerobically advanced human with muscles, man, my aerobic system is not strong. It is not great. It's not bad. I'll say this. I'm very happy with my starting base of running right now because I haven't gone mad hard with like circuit workouts and high elevation, high heart rate circuit like workouts. Also been doing threshold training. I've also been doing a lot of sauna. So I'm at a good baseline for aerobic, but man, definitely undertrained and it causes me pain. So my body's feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm just over this. You know, I'm just over this. I wanted Topstep to just come in, make some money today, not see this type of bullshit. I didn't want to see this again today. You know what's so annoying is gosh, if I could have had yesterday back, I would take it back. Yesterday seemed so predictable, boys. Not predictable, but like after this turn here, and I took the short, and then I got out, and then Saucy, you're able to trade? How are you able to trade, bud? Although, I will say this, gang, I'm super stoked. I got a planned trip for the end of July to Florida. Go see a concert with a buddy. He's got a spot down there, so I'm gonna fly in, hang out for the week, watch the concert, just decompress, as they say. A little bit of stress relief, a little bit of getaway, a little bit of relaxation in the sun, a little fun in the sun. Sun's out, tits out. You know what I'm talking about? You didn't hear me say that. Here we go. According to the hourly chart over here on the left, we just swept these London lows. That was kind of the initial target looking at the this setup of the chart that I mentioned. So if we traded through that, I don't, from here, I don't really know. We got to see kind of reaction. Still don't have a chart. We're pushing through the 77s, it looks like. So that's down around here. So we'll see what happens. We just swept overnight low. And yeah, that's what we did. What is this? Campaign manager? Why are you up? Remind me later. Remind me later to use you. I probably won't, but remind me to. You know what I'm saying? Well, gang, there's 4 of y'all in here. If we could just have 4 likes on this stream for having absolutely 0 trading activity, that would be so sexy. It would make me just feel a little bit warmer on the inside. Way warmer than this ice cold Topstep's making me feel. That just seems like a little flame, you know? Like not a fire, but there's a flicker in there. There's some smoke, and where there's smoke, there's fire. But it's just some ash, some warm. It made me a little warm. Currently, according to the hourly over here, which appears to be the only thing that wants to update, we're down to the 78s. So again, we're still threatening, or we're still kind of holding near this bottom. Could be a considered long. Could be, it could be. The minute chart seems to be the problem. Let's see if I can update this guy to like a 5-minute. Updating the 1 minute to a 5-minute does not work. Don't do that. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Oh my god. Now it's just locked up. Now it's just grayed out and locked up. 2 thumbs down, Topstep X, Project X, whoever the hell. Gosh. Oh. You know, this is just karma for me, because I crashed out yesterday trading. So the trading lords are like, dude, you need to take a day off. You were not in your right of mind yesterday. You showed poor discipline. You showed lack of emotional stability into trade. You need to get out of the market today. And I said, no, I'm not gonna. And they said, oh yeah? Oh yeah, boy? So now we're hanging out with the wangs out, rocking out with the, no, I'm sorry. Hey, appreciate you, Mar. W Insight, man's hanging out. Fucking appreciate the shit out of you. They better be trying to get on there, get this thing fixed. Again, I don't know, I'd say maybe 20,000 people, 30,000. How many people do you think Project X uses on a daily basis? More than 30 grand, huh? 100, 6 figures, 100,000 people? That seems like too many, but then it's like a million? I don't know. I'm definitely not the only one, though, so. I mean, I know we got me, Mar in here as well. I don't know how, Brett, how are you trading this? You said you already took some longs? Is it different on the mobile? Yeah, where did they say that at? Probably Topstep TV. Oh, well, gang. Oh, look. Let's see this. Let's see support. Oh, look. They have a live chat on here. I didn't even know. 9 months ago. About a year ago. Oh, okay. Platform Help Center. Stop. Status updates. Incident. 7/31/2024. Yeah, none of these are. You're not helping me, Topstep X. Oh. Economic news. Imagine just says, oh, our shit's broken right now. Yeah, I don't know, guy. Look how pretty this is. Look how cute. Look how cute. Oh, nice. Just to show us that we're down towards the 67s. Just to show us that we should have taken our short up here at the 25s. We knew it all along. We're trading blind. That's going to be the new strategy, boys. I'm going to come into the markets. I'm just going to turn off last price. Right? Just turn off charts and candles. And just put an order in. And I think that's going to be... I think that's going to be what we're doing from moving on forward. Oh, here we go. Project X is kind of updating a little bit here on the minute. Just enough to show us intraday, which I'll take. Because we're getting a sell down to the 50s. And then it looks like it froze on us again because I tried to move. I tried to do too much. Gosh. It's funny how, like, if 30 minutes, if the market was open, how much slower these 30 minutes would be going by. Because it's closed, or how much faster, but because these are closed, it just feels like time is crawling. Yeah. Well, boys, we got to push down to the 37s, threatening that 900 whole number. That could be where we're heading after the rejection. I do not know. I just don't know. Like, if there's knowing and there's not knowing, I don't know. This bottom yesterday that we were able to hold for the buyers, we just got another test down here, the 40 price. So that is the liquidity on the moment that we're respecting. I would like to see a pullback into, like, I don't know. Maybe these 18s, maybe these 2,300 whole number. I don't know. 22,000. But despite that, not a whole lot we can do, gang. But nonetheless, we're hanging out, we're vibing, and I fucking, y'all mean the most. I appreciate you guys hanging out. Just hanging out with the Wang out, seeing what we can do. Side note, anyone watch MMA here and see Ben Askren lately? Holy shit, is that scary, huh? Perfectly healthy, functionable human being. Trained, healthy. I mean, he wasn't exactly trained. He was a little, you know, out of camp, sure. Definitely a little softer than normal and off of his prime, but still a healthy man. And pneumonia took him out of the knees. Needed a lung transplant. Gets his lung transplant, a double lung transplant. Gets some sepsis, like, just tough battle. Nearly died. Jake Paul had to pay for his bills, and now if you look at the dude, he looks like he's alive, which all the glory, but he's thin and he looks Topstep TV where they mentioned it. Though, thanks, Mar. But yeah, he's thin and just sad. It's crazy looking. Makes you take your health for serious. Never take that shit for granted. I love that we're just finding straight selling. Just straight selling. We'd be up 100 points from when I said, oh, should I just short this thing and just be, like, curious? Should I just short this thing blindly? 100 points down from there. Pushing through the bottom that we couldn't get through yesterday. And we can't participate. This is wild. Look at this. Look at this sell-off right now. Look at this sell-off, gentlemen. Getting down to the 916s, threatening that 900 whole number like we mentioned. Damn. Looks like Wednesday could be high of the week. I want to see the hourly now. I does. I want to see that hourly chart. Oh my god, this is such a tease. This is such a tease. Either this is teasing me or I'm an addict to trading, so. Strong bounce there off that bottom. About 30 points so far. Buying looks a little bit interested in that price. Oh, gang. We have like this little bit of information on this 1 minute chart. It's like a slight bit of information that I'm trying to, like, you know, kind of want to take along here. I do. Previous bottom yesterday, that was big supported. These two big hourly candles, bang, boom. We're just hanging out right here, finding a little bit of a reaction from these buyers. Threatening. See how this candle reacts. This will be interesting. Let's see how even getting in a trade reacts. I'm just going to do it just to help and find out for us. We get one more reaction off this price. I'm just going to put a long in just to see what happens, gang. Is this board trading? There's a chance. I mean, there's a chance one could say that. I wouldn't necessarily say that, but there's like a chance. Do we get to the 900 hole number? Are these 920s at this previous spot going to hold? Do we just get a sweep of the nines? I don't know. These are all good. These are great questions that are being asked. Threatening the 20s now. Can we get another reaction? There's a sweep of that bottom. Getting a push back in here would be bullish now. If the buyers come in here, we could take a swing at it, gentlefish. Or we're just going to go see that 900 hole number. It's going to be nice and easy and clean. NQ, crazy drop. An insane drop, dude. A pretty violent drop. Yeah. 170 points from the top so far this morning. No joke. ES moving slower. NQ is just taking a hit, my guy. Down to the 900 hole numbers. About 170 points from opening print price, roughly. Now 190, actually. Down to the 900 hole numbers. We are finding a massive sell here, which means we could probably participate in the counter trend move. I don't know. Let's see what happens at these 900s. I'm assuming at some point we're going to get buyers to be kind of interested. We have no hourly chart information. Still don't even know what happens when we take a trade. We're about to find out, though. Topstep TV showing remorse. Showing remorse for what he did? Is he showing remorse for getting 1,000 extra prop firms involved with Project X to make this a problem? You better be showing remorse. You better be showing some sympathy. This shit sucks. Starting to see a reaction that's not too bad here. I'm going to try one, gang. Just want to see what happens. Oh, so it's just an instant fill. So the chart is still filling and working that way. We took a long here at the 9, at the, what are we at? 13. Kind of got a bad fill there, but just wanted to see what would happen. It appears that you can get fills. Like, it doesn't like appear that that's broken, so that's interesting. I'm sitting on my hands. Maybe PM session get something good. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. This is a pretty interesting day from the NASDAQ, though, or just in general. Getting a move. I mean, strong yesterday. From the reaction after that price is like, I don't really know. I guess we can get back in somewhere around here and start finding some support. It could be all right. We'll see what happens. Got to get above that EMA there, though. It's cool to see that you can even at least take a trade even though it's being complete doggy water. At least we can take a trade despite it being complete hot dog doggy water, boys. Decent little try to get a push towards the EMA. I'm expecting a decent reaction off this EMA, though. We'll see what happens. Sellers are probably going to just keep this thing pushing. Just keep this thing cranky-lanking. Schmack-a-lacking. Moving and grooving. Bum, 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 bum. I cannot believe that the thing is all slowed up like this. I still don't even have an hourly chart. 225. Price is at least updating for us on this minute. So we got a minutely chart we can use for information, but not a whole lot. Bum, 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 bum. You know, we'll see what happens. It's 10:10. Market's been open for about 40 minutes. My chart seems to be up and running. Okay. Is that on TradingView or are you talking about for Project X? I still got no information on my hourly over here. And I can't do much because now I'm in a trade. I was going to refresh it. But if I do that, I can risk this not updating again. So for now, we're just going to leave it. Strong little move here, though. No, he lied. No problem, brother. Project X, yeah. I wish. I really do. I'm here and actually wishing that that would happen, but... We're still gonna... I think we're gonna keep trying this here. Move stop loss to break even and then refresh. Ooh, it's a good play. That's actually a decent play, Wani. I kind of want to get in on a... I like what you're saying. I like what you're saying. I don't even want to risk it, though. It's the first time my minute's been even updated at all. Like, at all. So, I'm going to put this back to where I'm okay with losing. And we are going to put another order down here. Because I'm not done with this trade. I just want to get another contract down at the price, sir. Hate that I don't have a whole lot of information to use. Makes me feel like... It's risky. I do want to see if we could get a refresh one, but it is risky bisky. Literally the first time my minute chart's even been working at all. And now we're in a frickin' trade. I was just taking a swing to see how the charts would fill, and it gave me an instant, pretty clean fill. I mean, a little higher than, I guess that's traditionally you're always going to get bid. You slap the bid, you're always going to get asking price, but, or one over, but. I want to even see like what this price is to the left, but that's gonna potentially lag us down. Like, I guess I might as well just put this on now, just so I can do what I gotta try. All right, we're back in a spot where I like. We're in a spot that I enjoy, at least. I don't really like having to look back for the 3,000s here, but we'll see what happens. Or 23,000, whole number. That candle should have been a little stronger for us, I think, there. Break even's on one. What price is it kind of rejecting? This 50s level. 50s kind of was our bottom yesterday we held. Not really, though. I mean, kind of at this 40s price. We can get above there. Should be maybe decent. We're kind of starting to pinch a little bit here. Could easily rotate, though, and push back towards these lows. These are technically one bottom lows. There's the second try here, but we'll see what happens. If we can get a push above these 40s, we may be okay. I just need to the 88s, so feels a little overzealous, I'll say. Let's see this push here and hold though. Into the 50s. Wicks would not be cool. Getting a decent little move at the 53. I want to see this candle be full. Yeah, it's decent. Anything better than a big wick at the top, but it's good there. I'm going to add one if we get a pullback towards this price here. Hey, let me buy. Why are you not letting me buy? Reset chart. No, buy. What is happening? What is happening with that? Why is it not letting me? Topstep, what are you doing? We're buying another one here, boys. We're in 2 now. If we can get a push to there, we'll be chilling. If we can get a push to the 67s from here, we'll be chilling. Got to get back above that previous spot, though. We're in 2 contracts here. Trading a broken 1 minute. Getting a decent little push off the EMA there. Got to see the continuation through these 40s again, or these 50s. Should bring us to that 67 there. Get above these previous highs here. Into the 60s, threatening it. Here's the 60s now. 7 more points. Can we get it? This feels like we're at a interesting little spot. Threatening us. You're actually threatening me, boss. All right, boys. Well, no. Why did I just no? Now I gotta go add that in. What is that here? Add components, accounts. Put that back up here. Thank you. All right. Oh, I just refreshed my thing again. Oh. Now it's up to date. Your boy takes all of his trades and this thing just refreshes and now it's working. God. We're back online, gang. Trades are back and working. Topstep X or Project X is back. Excuse me. And I really wish we had the opportunity to be taking a big time short here, like a big time frame short up around these prices. I feel like if we get back around these 23,000 whole number, that could be a short for this. Just you could short 23 potentially for a giant move. I feel like. Of course, I don't know, but that's what I'm feeling. Yeah, gang, we pass these tomorrow. We pass these tomorrow on a Friday. We'll be coming into next week with a set of accounts, and those are our last set on Topstep for the month. So, yeah, we got to be cautious about that. We 1,000% have to be careful about that. But for real, Mar, Juan, Brett, maybe Tim. I'm not sure who's in here. Maybe Santiago. Maybe Sylvian. I don't know. But whoever it is, if y'all could hit the like button for the try to get this stream a little bit of love, even though we had a really bizarre morning. That would be crazy. Crazy appreciated. I think for the first time ever, gang, we actually top ticked this fucker. 68.50, 67.75 is top of this move. We got out like right before that. So this thing is starting to turn around now. Might be offering another pullback towards this like 30s price. That could be a bottom to bring us back into the VWAP. Keep locking in, bro. Keep locking in, bro. Mar, I'm glad you didn't get to really see the tilt yesterday, but if you got to see yesterday's tilt or stream, bro, I was ready to crash out, gang. Like I was in a, which is the beauty, I think the beauty of our game, like this sport or this job or whatever you want to call it, profession, career. It's like we have to be professionals 24/7. Like if you think about like a professional athlete, they only have to be dialed in, I don't know, twice a week for their actual games. Like they have maybe 1 game, 2 games a week, depends on the sport, obviously. But typically it's a lot of training, a lot of underground work, a lot of behind the door action, sweat, and then you get to show it all off. This is just every day you got to be just top of your game, making split-second decisions, being on top of your shit. And yesterday I was not. Yesterday I just wasn't, and I blew some accounts. Also, I got to give myself a little bit of grace here because this chart, bank bump, and then holding this bottom and just etching forward, just cucka gross, funky butt loving. Not it. But WMAR, I appreciate it, bro. Keep locking in always. I'm thinking about making a YouTube series, gang. I'm thinking about making a series about just this process and my come up and my goal of freeing my family, trading for financial, trading to freedom type of a thing. I like the title of the series, Trading to Freedom, freeing my family of finances, road to $1 million, making some money. I seen the tilt, bro. You need to try ES, something different. Keep building up your skill. I hate watching you blow your accounts. It's just like, oh, it just tickles in the worst way. Try something ES different. Yeah, I could try. I do got to try some. Thing is, though, this is my only thing, right, Mar? But people are like, oh, try this different. It's like, I have now at this point, however much time, like almost, like, I don't know, 10 months locked in of just this. NQ, 1 minute chart, have an hour chart to the next. It used to be 15. But now I have the hourly and the 1 minute, and I've been just building up my, like, how I'm thinking about it is like if you're in the 3-point, I'm just in the little box right now. And I'm just putting up my shots, being consistent. And it's like I'm getting so good at this range, or like at least so much experience at this range, that I want it. It feels like there should be a bigger reward for the amount of time that I've spent in there. So I feel like I should just continue to. Like if you're getting good at, I say getting good. I don't know. It's so interesting because like I do obviously understand liquidity and the basics of the market and the way that it moves and things. It's just like timing it when you're in a eager state. As yesterday, I was very eager. I wanted some money, and that's what happens. But nah, you're right, bro. I gotta fucking slow down a little bit, and I have to now. These are the only accounts we have this month, so I already passed those other ones first try, and if we pass these tomorrow, we're gonna be back to being in that fucking no more combines as this month. And so I should have bought 150s, huh? Should have bought 150s instead of 50s with this week, since we can only do one. Or damn it. Next month, that's the gang. That's the play. Gonna probably be trying 150 accounts, boys, instead of 50s. A little bit harder. Technically, I guess. You have more leverage, so it's kind of the same game, but a little bit scarier, just with the bigger numbers, I suppose, is really the biggest difference. Other than that, nothing's really different. Just keep your 15 contracts. You only need 15 points. Really, nothing changes. Here we go. We're getting a big push of this 900 level. Another reaction. See what the move is here. I'm hearing you, brother. Keep going. But if you feel like something is not right, lay your head down and study the charts again and again and again. Keep grinding, bro. You're on your way. Trust. Fuck yeah, dude. God, that's hype. That makes me excited. I think so. I think like we're close. We just gotta. It's like poker. Like eventually poker theory. Game optimized way. You've been playing with the same table for a little while. You can read their fucking, like, you're getting small cues and small reads on the people around you. Eventually, you're gonna get some fucking pocket aces or kings or ace king, something strong. You're gonna run hot in a big spot. Someone's gonna go all in with queens. You're gonna have aces, something, and you're gonna fucking pay out. And like that's how I feel right now. I feel like I'm sitting at the table. I've been at the table for a while. I'm comfortable. I got some chips in front of me that, like, sure, I'm giving back some. Like, we're all just exchanging chips. But my confidence is to the point where I feel like I just need my good hand to come in. I gotta just peekle up, see aces, and then make something happen. Because every time I keep getting these fucking funded accounts, God, I just call it poor timing, poor trading, poor whatever. But grinding is the way. Mar knows. Just continuing to show up. That's the best thing that we do, though. That's how we continue to win and guarantee winning. You just show the fuck up. You show up again and again and again, and you get kicked in the mouth, and you show up again. This bottom at the 910s is threatening to potentially hold again, boys. We get it back above this EMA. You start seeing a little W pattern. I could be looking for a pullback for a long. See what happens, though. But, man, I love it. I actually love being... Like, I love learning. Like, I love being not great at something and having room for improvement. Like I said, I started running recently, and I'm ass. I'm 200 pounds and very muscular for these little knees and legs that aren't quite used to it. So it hurts. My aerobic system, my lungs, my heart, it is pain. WMAR, WWW. But we show up, and then it gets like 1.1% easier. You show up again, it gets easier. I just love showing up and learning and just sitting through the suck. You know, that's what makes us fucking humans great. Just sitting through the suck, learning, getting better. It's inevitable. It is inevitable. 10:28. Market's been open for 58 minutes. Kind of a weird day. A little bit boring if you do mention just a straight sell-off from the sellers. I mean, obviously, if you were involved in the shorts up around this price, you're into it. But since this move's just been kind of occurring, we're just hanging out. Like, this is still, like, look at this. Yesterday, we went up 62. We went up. Dang, what was that? Yeah. 140 points yesterday. Sold it all back off. Sold off 180 this morning. Trying to hold the bottom here to potentially get a little pushback. I would love a short at VWAP. I'm not going to lie, gang. This previous high, something around like this. It could be a really sexy short if we get back there for like a longer time frame. But they're threatening holding this bottom. Any longs would be validated for me here. I'd be taking longs at like, I'd be looking for a fill of these 22s maybe. Like right now we can get a fill off the ZMA push. I'd be stabbing at it. It's really just consolidating. No real movements yet. He right. Big sell-off from now just sideways. Within like not even 50% of the range. 90 down to 9. So yeah, 190 points. So 80 points. This is mid-range. So we haven't even gotten back to half of the move. Just sitting down at these lows since that sell-off. And consolidation after a big move typically shows continuation in that direction once you find a spot. So either these 66s or this VWAP could offer a big short potentially. At most, a manipulation incoming, LOL. The market likes to manipulate. The market likes to bully. Just doesn't like retail people. This is where retail traders get motherfucking trapped. Buyers and sellers. Hanging out in the old consolidation. Buying the old bottom of a big move. Trying to see what would happen. I hear you, Mar. We're starting to form a little bit of a bottom, though. Enough to at least catch some points, no? Excuse me. I agree, though. There's not a lot going on. Or not a lot to narrate on. This bottom being supported is the only thing that is interesting to me. Now we're getting pushed back towards either these 60s, maybe this VWAP. From there, I'm assuming shorts are going to reload and then push this thing down through these equal lows, which is now a very giant target. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I don't know. You know what I mean? I don't know. How could I know? Like, literally, how could I know? I'm half informed here. Partially informed here. NQ does look a bit cleaner. I would take a high on NQ, to be honest. Yes, yes. I don't even want to update. I want to look at ES right now more, but I do not want to update this because I know it probably won't pop back up. But yeah, I know NQ is looking a little clean with his bottom. You would take a high. I would take a high on NQ. So yeah, you'd be targeting for these 60s maybe. Maybe even. I'm thinking bears are. I think we have a high for the week. Today's Thursday. We sold off. I think Wednesday's high, peaking into yesterday's peak there, and then I think that's gonna be the high of the week potentially. Pretty big liquidity up here though that we could definitely target in the future. 23,100s, 3 different taps at it, kind of a equal price there. So if we do find some support down here eventually. Sell into maybe like these 80s or something. I think those triple top could break. Your chart should be good, bro. No worries. All right, let's do it. Let's go take a peek at the ES then. Doesn't matter because we already made our money, but I still want to have to sit here and look at no charts. She is good though. She's upset. She's working. So ES was different yesterday. We didn't hold this bottom. This bottom was held on the NQ at these this price, but then we same type of reaction, except we almost made it back to the highs again, and then sold off. Ugh. What? That's quite a divergence between the two. Look at NQ selling off compared to ES holding and actually getting a push back. Interesting little divergence there. That to me would be that's kind of bullish, no? That's kind of bullish, no, Mar? ES is super strong comparatively. I'm in longs NQ. Hey, my boy's trading NQ. My fucking baby NASDAQ. Yeah, look at the difference. Incredibly different chart. ES is still back around this price, looking quite a bit stronger. Hasn't even really sold off through the bottoms yet. Actually, let me go back and take one more gander at that. Hey, stop doing that. Let me take one more gander because I'm actually interested right now. Yeah, so we never even gave up London lows on ES. Holy shit. So they're diverged, and that's why Mar felt confident enough to take this thing long to potentially get a push back into a price that makes sense. I like long NQ. I do. I'm surprised how weak ES or NQ is comparatively to ES, but it's impressive. It's actually impressive. Here we go, Mar. Let's see this thing fly for you. We have this nice supported bottom here, starting to push back towards this price. We're already back into yesterday's supported price that we were held strong from yesterday, so. Here we go. Whee! If this hourly candle does get back above this price, this would be an inverted doji. This thing would hammer out. So that'd be pretty bullish as well. If we close on the hourly candle, so the next 20 minutes we get above these 69 price, this candle will invert. Oh, here we go, Mar. We're flipping over now, buddy. Let's see this thing hold. Hey. Just want to go dance. Anyone else want to go dance? Just find a little mommy on the dance floor. Just close. Good trade, buddy. 5 lots deep. Just closed. You closed your 1 lot. Now you're 5 lots deep. Fucking love it, Mar. W for the W. 1.8 fatties. Come on. Let's go. That's king stuff. That is king shit right there. Surprised you got out already, though. I guess these equal highs. You said you were only trading for the high, so totally makes sense after they get in that breakout there. Let's see what the next reaction. See the reaction towards these 60s. This hourly candle is close to hammering now. If it closed here, it's still a hammer. If we continue to invert, it's going to look even stronger. I don't know. I don't know. I hate that sound. Don't ever do that again. Getting a push, though. We're at these 60s. Previous spot that I rejected from. I added 4 more off a small rejection. Yeah, you did. My guy took 5 lots on the NQ and smacks it for 18 points. Makes 1,800. Oh, I love it. That is sexy work right there, Mar. 18 points in the NASDAQ. 5 lots. Makes the money talk, you know? Look at this inversion on the hourly here. If this can hold here, it's going to be pretty good for the long, especially considering the difference in ES and NQ right now. ES is way stronger. This bottom hasn't even been broken on ES yet. And we're trading below it and consolidating below it, which would, again, kind of give me like a overall short bias. Like if I could get back towards that price for like a sexy big fill, like a 23,000 whole number short. Ooh. 23,000 whole number short. I don't really trade NQ, so my stop loss was sitting at 2.5K. Short, barely any space on ES. I don't really trade NQ, so my stop loss was sitting at 2.5. Barely any space on ES. Yes, yeah. Yeah, 25. You're risking 25 points with the 5 contracts, so I think you could make some good trading in NQ though, buddy. But you don't need to. I mean, you like the way ES moves and you're good at reading it, so whatever works for you, King. But yeah, no, there's no space. They just look completely different. ES and NQ right now, just like you said, there's no space. They look completely different. We haven't even gotten below this bottom yet, but yeah, NQ's trying here, trying to show a little bit of a push, reclaim a little bit of this weakness. We'll see what happens. I had no room essentially on NQ. Yeah, I mean, you got in here. You got in around like this price, like the 40s, with a 5 lots, 15. Your stop was down towards these bottoms. Like it's healthy. It's what I would have been if we were to come down. But that's the thing. You found the spot where the price didn't want to. You found the price where the chart didn't want to retest. Which is what I was saying down around these bottoms, right? I was saying, look, if we're holding this bottom again, I'd be willing to at least take a long here, assuming that if the market does hold like this, when we got pushed down into this and then we retested this wick, strong reaction again, this retry of these previous bottoms would have been something I was interested in to see if it can hold. Otherwise, you're only risking what? If I got long right here, roughly 22, I'm risking 14 points. So you don't want to see that hold, that push anyway. And now we're getting the move. We're getting the move, Mar. Way to spot the long, buddy. Could have made some cash had you held those 5 lots, though. Not gonna lie. But you had a really good exit. Back getting close, trying the bottom of the London low now. NQ is now making a pretty decent little flag, in my opinion, for an actual sell bottom. I'd say I'd be looking for like a legit fill, possibly around these 23,000s for like an actual big time short, but we don't know. This might actually go up insane. Ooh, Mara's saying this thing could turn around all the way. You're gonna see, you want to see another one of these little cone head things, but the other way, little cone this way, and just bring this thing up. ES is inside a level going up along. How is ES so much stronger than NQ today? Crazy. Yeah, you're right though. ES keeps showing that strength. NQ starting to get pulled up a little bit. It's early in the day. It's still only 10:40. We had a big sell-off to just catch some shorts, and then this thing could push. Trying back to this previous top now at the 60s. I'd be getting long, looking for the VWAP. Overall, good trading though. Good trading, good patience out of us. See this hourly and candle that completely inverted. Looking a little bit strong. Tell me we don't get to that 23,000 whole number and then just... We have equal lows here. We also have equal highs here, though, so... We could possibly see a push further if we're able to hold and build. Yeah, if we just keep holding this price, push back above VWAP. From there, we're not. If we continue to support overnight low again and don't let that, buyers don't give that back up, we have some options. We do. One thing I do want to take a gander at is this. This is 30, so this is the top into 50. So this is the bottom of the 15-minute range. Nope, that is. So yeah, I mean, I wouldn't even be really worried about this thing until back around that price. Look how weird. Come down, we sold, and then we just pushed. I would have been looking for a retest if I was actually like normally looking at this thing. I'd have been looking for a price push back in like these 20s. Never got it though. Market's looking decent here. Pretty weird chart though for the 15-minute range to just push us all the way down like that, and now we're just trying to find some support to get back in, it looks like. But could be interesting here. I'm gonna go take one more gander at ES, and then we are probably gonna be wrapping up the stream today, boys. Go touch some sun, go get some water, go drink some sun, get some water. ES just rips. Is this all time on ES right now? Are you fucking serious? No. So that's the thing. I always forget that even though we say that's weaker, NQ is trading all-time highs. ES is still 20 points from all-time highs. So it's hard to like. It's hard. We're also at a big spot. We're at weekly high right now. Previous spot with equal tops here at these 14s. ES is trying to push through it right now, looking quite a bit stronger, even though again it's not at all-time highs yet. It did take that out the day before the 4th though. So yo, what's your bias? Short and NQ. What's up, Zaffer? What's up, buddy? I was just taking a peek at ES there because one of our boys is an ES master. Bias right now is kind of interesting. We had a really big sell-off this morning. Pushed back in here. ES is way stronger. I'm kind of looking for to see that NQ can find some support and push back around VWAP. So I'm kind of looking long actually right now, Zaffer, like in this one moment. If we can hold this previous top here, see how we're kind of building a little bit of structure into this EMA. If we can hold this top and push back up, I'd be looking long. If this is as high as we get, then yeah, you have this equal bottom you could target if you are looking for shorts. I'd be kind of looking for a short up around VWAP, I think, if I was. So I don't know, man. Do what you feel. But Zafir Al Rafi, happy you're here, buddy. Hope you can make some money. We're turning at this previous high now, so got to see this reaction. ES is looking incredibly strong. Trying to take out this equal top here, but rejecting slightly. It's crazy how different these two indexes look. Like looking at this makes me almost like, huh? I enjoy it. I enjoy that. Oh, yes. Very good. Very good, sir. You done trading for the day? Yes, sir, Zaffer. I'm all done, buddy. Starting to see that reaction now. This would be that push right there would be enough for me to put a long on this contract right here. I'd be long right now at this previous high at the 60s, maybe 67. I'd be long right now. Looking for a break of this previous high, potentially VWAP. Here he goes. Here it goes. We long right now in there. But yeah, I'm done for the day's offer. I'm out of here soon. I got to get back to work. Seeing this thing starting to push, though. It's kind of looking sexy. But for real, Zaffer, if you could hit the like button, that helps a lot, buddy. Hope to see you here tomorrow. If you can get in around 9:30, we'll be trading. Me and trying to get some trades going together. Mar, seriously, dude, you're the man. Good luck today. I don't know if you're going to be locked out for the day since you're already up big old nearly 2 bands, but if you do keep trading, be safe, King. Juan, if you're still here, brother, good luck. I hope you hope Topstep Project X doesn't keep boofing, or if you did blow, because that's the thing sometimes Topstep does do. If you blow trades or whatever during those weird moments where it was down, they'll just refund you those trades. So maybe something like that happens for us. But Tim, Brett, my boys, love y'all. Not sure if y'all are here. Anyways, y'all are the best. Take care. Get some sun, drink some water, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.